Hey guys, Cal here with Lares Corporation. Just going to run you through a little bit of the company history. Lares Corporation has been running strong for over 30 years. It was started with the simple idea, we can do it better. Founded on a commitment to provide quality, readily available, remanufactured steering components, the company has grown to be one of the largest steering gear remanufacturers in the nation. Paul Lares was a one-man shop when it all started. His humorous and unique inability to leave well enough alone is what drove him to dive into his first steering gear. From there, birthed the idea of Lares Corporation. Paul founded Lares Corporation and established the plant in Ham Lake, Minnesota. In 1999, the company expanded by adding an additional building just down the road in Nisani, Minnesota. Soon, the growing business required additional space. In 2001, Lares Corporation moved its entire operation to Cambridge, Minnesota, and a brand new 30,000 square foot facility. The concept for Lares was still in place to bring unmatched quality and engineering to a market in desperate need of it. Being a motor enthusiast himself and spending the majority of his life around or under anything with a motor in it, Paul knew what it took to make these parts and what it took to be successful at selling true quality components. Now, Lares Corporation is the leading manufacturer of steering components. From the restoration of your classic car to your daily driver, we have it in stock or we can rebuild it. We house a SKU of over 4,000 part numbers and we are continuously adding to that inventory. We employ advanced engineering using the latest production equipment to produce our steering products. We can remanufacture any power steering pump, control valve, cylinder, manual or power gear. Lares has the ability to machine in-house any part back to factory specification. Our team members on the floor are skilled in precision and accuracy when it comes to building these components. Lares Corporation carries a full line of new and remanufactured steering components for all years, makes, and models. We also stock thousands of new parts, rag joints, installation kits, power end, manual steering gears, rack and pinions, power steering pumps, power steering control valves, and power steering cylinders. All of our parts go through vigorous testing before they are boxed and ready to ship out to the customer. Efficiency, quality, and dependability are always goals we strive for here at Lares. Lares Corporation ships domestically and internationally to our customers and distributors. At Lares, we have implemented advanced technology to ensure the safety of your part during transit. With our foam protection and custom fit boxes, you can be assured quality of your part will be the same when you receive it as when it left our facility. Lares has been machining parts in-house for our remanufactured units since the beginning of the company's origin. With our vast array of machining capabilities, your part will be better than the original equipment itself. Each part is remanufactured by a team that has been trained thoroughly. Our capabilities in machining go much further than just the remanufactured parts. Lares has been expanding into the manufacturing of brand new components. That same machining technique and precision is implemented on our new products we manufacture here as well. Looking to the future, Lares Corporation has and will remain true to the fundamentals the company was founded on. In the years to come, you will see Lares Corporation expand its inventory with parts beyond steering. We will remain as diligent in our quality for steering components as we are in future endeavors. Lares has always steered you in the right direction, and now we will continue to strive to keep our customers and distributors happy with an expansion of Lares quality automotive parts. For Lares Corporation, new products and innovative ideas are our way of life. The company strives to continuously improve its product line and remanufacturing practices. Customers deserve nothing less than the highest quality parts delivered on time at a competitive price. To that end, our highly skilled employees are committed to a total effort to exceed customer expectations. It is that commitment to customer satisfaction that has brought the company this far and will carry Lares Corporation into the future. Thank you so much for your time.